Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. What is happening? Okay. You can also follow me on Instagram. The readings there are different from these readings, and the link is given in the description box below, though the page name is the same as the channel, that's Surabhi's Tarot. So let's see what's going on with the Cancerians. Okay, so we have the Page of Wands, okay, the Eight of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Five of Swords, Page of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Five of Wands. What's going on? Six of Swords, Three of Wands. What's going on, Cancerians? Anyway, at the end we have the Sun, which flipped while I was shuffling the cards also. This is the Queen of Cups, Hangman, the Chariot, okay, the Empress, Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and one more, okay, Four of Wands. Chalo. Ten of Cups also. Just want to give you a positive reading at the end of the year. And I mean, there will be more readings, but yeah, this is the last bi-monthly general reading. Okay, that's why. Let it be. I'll pull them. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Okay, we have the Eight of Spades, which is the Justice card of this deck. Guidance from the angels. Okay. So Cancerians, to start with, we have the Page of Wands, the Eight of Swords, and the Five of Cups. So what I feel here is that you are taking a step forward towards something new in your life. So you are sort of, with the Eight of Swords and the Five of Cups, there has been a situation since long which it was really tough for you to fight and come out of it. Okay, it was really holding you back. You were very upset, very depressed. It's been a tough time for you to come out of this situation, but yes, you've really worked hard for it, you've tried your best, and you are now to some extent out of it, that you're at least trying to move ahead and trying to move forward in life and come out of this negativity, whatever it was. So it is a small step forward after coming out of the phase of depression, after coming out of a phase of anxiety, tension, being upset, depressed, whatever it was which was negative. Okay, so coming out of a small step forward after coming out of whatever was negative in your life. Okay, and it is a beautiful thing and a beautiful step. Okay, it's something really beautiful when you are able to fight your inner fears. It's sort of that you've been fighting your inner fears, you've been fighting whatever was holding you back, and you are emerging a winner, and you are really taking a step forward in life, and that too in a very beautiful way, with a very happy and a very vibrant way, here with the Page of Wands. And here we have the Two of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that with the Two of Wands, here you are ready to embark on a new journey, and again here we have the Page of Pentacles. So definitely you are making a move, a small steps in a positive direction. With the Five of Swords, this is a time which I feel was the cause of your this negativity and whatever was holding you back, and this is something which was a fight, which was which really was perhaps a big one. Okay, and I think in this situation, whatever this fight was, somebody left somebody. Okay, so people left each other, whosoever they were or whosoever this person was. It led to a huge dispute. That's what I feel. There was a lot of emotional disturbance, a lot of, so it seems to be a big dispute which was holding you back and causing you depressed. But yes, you are trying to come out of it. You are ready. You've prepared yourself to launch yourself in life once again, and that is what you are doing here, taking small steps forward. Okay, so this is the zeal and the passion with which you started moving ahead. And with the Page of Pentacles, you are putting into life something stable, something new in your life. It is like launching yourself once again in life. Okay, and here we have the Eight of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Then we have the Five of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the Three of Wands. So anyway, here what I feel is that you are moving ahead, as I said, taking small steps forward. With the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands, what I feel is that you are really taking your time to decide as to what is right, what is wrong, what should be done, how to what I'm getting here is that it's like how to be, what I am getting here is honestly is that you are trying to make a decision. There is a lot of communication. Maybe there are many people in this, or maybe only one person, maybe your loved one, maybe your partner, whosoever you are moving towards it, because it can be a career, or whatever it is, this new direction. Maybe it is getting hard to convince that person also, can be the reason that you are deciding so much, because with the Eight of Wands there is a lot of communication, trying to make a decision. And with the Nine of Wands, what I feel is you are really working hard and trying to ground yourself. I'm getting the word trying to lay firm foundations and ground yourself once again. It's really very tough. You are trying very hard. It's been a long time that you've been trying to. What I feel is you are putting in the efforts which are required to ground yourself once again. And what I feel is that maybe because we have with the Two of Pentacles some sort of indecision, and something is going on which is not able to make you decide. And what I feel here is maybe with the Five of Wands you need to convince someone over here which you are not able to. It can also be one more thing. What I feel here is that you are taking small steps forward. There is a lot of communication coming in, or maybe you're discussing things with people, whosoever they are or whosoever that person is. With the Two of Pentacles, there is definitely some sort of indecisiveness because of some sort of conflict going on. Okay, that's what I feel. And maybe over here with the Nine of Wands, you are grounded. You perhaps know what you are saying is right, and but you are not able to convince the other person, even if you know that what you are saying is right and what you are saying is a more grounded approach, or whatever your point of view is right. But the thing is that what I feel is that you are not able to convince the other person, and that is why this indecisiveness is there. Okay, and finally, when you are not able to convince, I think you are moving away from the situation with the Six of Swords and you are looking for something else here with the Three of Wands. That's what I feel. I think you will leave this situation once again. At least you will leave this conflict, that is for sure. You are either you've stopped maybe you're not leaving this situation, but definitely maybe you are leaving this argument, or this trying to convince the other person. So maybe you just stop convincing the other person, and you just move on with your life, and you just think, okay, I'll do what I feel is right for me, sort of a thing. That is what I'm getting. So whosoever you are trying to convince over here, or whatever decision you are trying to make, if it is not materializing, you are leaving that situation and doing what you feel is right for you and what gives you happiness. Okay, and that is what is showing up here. Immediately after this is the Sun card. Okay, that is how it came up. This was the first card. So what I feel is, once you leave this thing over here, so what your approach is right. This was the energy of something from the past. Okay, and here you have moved ahead. You are taking small steps to relaunch yourself. Okay, even if somebody here is not convinced with your approach, with your way of thinking, with your way of working, whatever it is, with your way of doing things, you are leaving that person or that situation. You are in no mood of convincing them actually, and you are moving with your own life. What you feel is right, you will do what you feel is right for you, even if it requires leaving the situation or stop convincing them, whatever it is, and you are moving towards happiness over here, and you are ultimately becoming happy. And here further cards were, we have the Queen of Cups, the Hangman, and the Chariot. Empress, the Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. So if it is a relationship, which can be for at least some of you, we have the Queen of Cups. So definitely a lot of emotions are there in this situation. And these emotions were there since a long time. Perhaps you didn't even show your emotions over here, because there is nothing about emotions in this reading, whatever I have read till now. But here we have we really have the Knight of Wands and the Queen of Cups also. So there maybe this is a situation in which you were not even given a chance to express yourself, or whatever it was. For some reason these emotions are just stuck. You are not able to open up your emotions, whatever this is for you. And here immediately following the Hangman is the Chariot. So a Chariot followed by the Empress. So what I feel is that though this situation is stuck since a long time, but now there will be a rapid movement forward in this direction. What one more thing which I got is, maybe this is one part of your story, and this is something up that you are happy making a move away, leaving this situation, and this is somebody whom you are emotional about, the fact which perhaps was hanging since a long time because you were busy with all this stuff, and now you are looking into it and trying to gain a different perspective. Okay, I need to pay attention to that part of my life also, and here things start rolling forward with the Chariot and the Empress. There's a new beginning definitely, and the Knight of Wands. It is somebody very, very passionate moving towards you, or you moving towards them. And here we have the Queen of Pentacles. So Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles are also there. And here we have the Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups. So definitely commitment, happiness, relationship, partnership, family is on the card. So what I feel here is that this situation, these emotional aspect or this aspect of your life was stuck since a long time, because you were busy dealing with whatever was going on over here, and once you decided to leave this and move towards your own happiness, this emotional aspect or your relationship aspect which was stuck starts gaining momentum over here. That's what I'm getting. And here we have the Eight of Spades, which is the Justice card. So this is getting the balance. That's what I said. You are relaunching yourself. Number two, maybe of some significance for you, go within. You are a very intuitive person, and there are many wonderful insights that lie waiting inside you. Take time to be quiet and reflect upon the desires of your heart through meditation or prayer. There is no need to take action right now. Be patient with yourself. So basically that is what you are doing. Okay, if you are doing what you feel is right for you. Once you decide, okay, this is not for me, I'm not able to convince with this person, or there are lots of arguments, you're just leaving it for your own happiness, and that is what it is, because your intuition and your guidance says that that is the right thing to do. Okay, so Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.